Hey there! Today I have a brand new subscription service to try out, and it's called Infinitely LOFT, and it's a clothing rental service from Loft. So this just actually launched on May 7th, so really just launched. It's totally new, and I got an email because I buy stuff from Loft online, and I immediately signed up for the service like the very next day. So the way the service works, it's a flat monthly fee of $64.95, and you're able to rent 3 items of clothing at a time, and they say you have unlimited rentals. This will be the initial first impressions, I guess, and then we'll have to do some follow-ups. But anyway, according to their website, it says it's a size inclusive rental service. So it does have sizes ranging from 00 to 26 and XXS to XXL, and it also includes petite, tall, plus, and maternity sizes. So it seems like it has a lot of sizes. And looking at the collection of clothing, it's not like as big as their online store, I guess, but they do have a lot of like all the newer items. And it says on the website that they get new items in every week. So it's a great way to try styles, I guess. And you also have the option to buy anything that they send you at a discount. It says the discount can be anywhere from 50% off to 80% off. Okay, and shipping is free both ways, and it says they include a prepaid mailer with each box, and it's USPS priority mail, and also free laundry. So you wear it, you don't have to wash it, you send it back, they'll launder everything. And they do say our top-notch cleaning process and thorough review standards ensure that every piece you receive is perfectly pristine. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure everything in this box will be brand new since they just launched. But going forward, you might get things that have been worn by other people before and washed. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my very first Infinitely LOFT box. Okay, so here's my box. And let's see how nicely packaged it is. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like inside. And it says, "Welcome to Infinitely LOFT. Never get bored with your closet again. Rent, return, repeat." And I just thought this was a cool idea because I do have a lot of clothes already. And this is one way you can kind of try out new styles without having to buy stuff. Okay, so this is it just has information on how the service works. It's kind of like an ad. Okay, and here is my bundle. And you'll see it's very nicely packaged, I would say. And there's also a prepaid mailer to send the items back when I'm done wearing them. Okay, and these are all items that I selected, and they're also items that I set as priority. So the first item is this dress, and it is very yellow. It's in the size 6 petite, and I just thought this was very cute and sunny, and I'm kind of into yellow. And it's kind of a longer length, I think, and it has a ruffle hem. It's fully lined. I noticed that it doesn't have any tags, so I don't know if it's new or not, or if it's ever been worn, but it looks like new. So yeah, so that's the first item. And the retail value on this dress, I think, is $89. And if I were to buy it, it said it's 50% off, so I could buy it if I really loved it for $44.50. But for me, I think I'm probably gonna not buy anything unless it's like a staple type of clothing item that I could wear a lot. Okay, next, I got this denim skirt, and it's just a white denim skirt, which I don't have one, and it looks actually kind of big. Okay, and I did get it in a size 4. I probably should have gotten a petite size, but I just got a regular size and I downsized because normally I'm a 6 petite. So this one, it says I could buy it for 50% off at $34.50. So that's not bad. But it is actually a really nice quality denim skirt. It has a little bit of stretch. It's thick. So yeah, I'm excited to try this on. And my last item of 3 is this blazer. So yeah, this is a very nice blazer, and you'll see it has stripes and it's fully lined, and it's in a size 6 petite, and I hope it fits, and it's really cute. So yeah, I will wear this to work one time and send it back. So yeah, not bad. And the buyout price for this blazer is $65. So this is a $130 blazer, and I could get it at 50% off. And I'm not sure how they're gonna launder this thing, because I'm pretty sure it looks like dry clean only. Yep, this is dry clean only. Okay, so that is everything I got in my very first Infinitely Loft box. And now I'm gonna try everything on and we'll see how everything looks. Okay, so here is the dress. And it's actually the next day. I ran out of sunlight, so I had to do the try on the next day. So it's actually the morning, and I got up a little early so I can do this try on before I go to work. And I'm gonna try on all 3 of those items of clothing and decide what I'm gonna wear today. So here you go. So this is actually really cute. So I do like this dress. It's kind of a high-low, which is not actually my thing. So you'll see it's longer in the back and a little shorter, but it's about knee length, and this is a petite size. So it's a 6 petite, I think, and it has an elastic waist. It has a little snap here, so that'll keep it from getting too low. So it is kind of, I guess it's a faux wrap with a snap, and it has very cute ruffled detail on this on the sleeves and around the neck. So yeah, I think this is really cute. Probably not gonna wear this today. It's Friday or something else. And let's try it with let's try it with some options for sweater or jacket. Okay, and let's see. Here it is with just a white denim jacket, and I just washed this. This is my cut from the cloth, but I washed it, and so it's a little wrinkly, so I actually have to probably press this before I actually wear it. But just so you get the idea, so this is kind of like more of a cropped look denim jacket, and I think this looks okay. And let's also try it with a cardigan. Okay, and here it is with just a basic white cardigan, and this is something I just picked up actually from the Loft outlet store when I was in LA. So yeah, I think either a denim jacket, and I bet you could also wear like either a light wash or medium wash denim jacket or dark wash, whatever, would also go. But yeah, not bad. I really do like this dress. I think I might wear it. I have a party on Saturday, like a retirement party. I think I might wear it to that. Okay, so here is the white denim skirt. And actually, I think this fits just right. I got a size 4. Ordinarily, I'm like a 6 or 6 petite, but I didn't get the petite size. I just got the regular size. So I noticed, yeah, with regular sizes, it's good if you're a certain size in petite to size down in regular. So yeah, so it's a size 4. So I think that was actually the right size because it's not as short, I think, as a petite would be. And I think this works. It's not, I don't think it's too short. But yeah, this fits just right. It's like, hits right at the waist. So that's, I think that's good. And I just have it paired with another Loft top I just got at the outlet. And I think this is cute. And these shoes, these little flats, I got my younger daughter bought them for me from Kohan for Mother's Day. Okay, let's try it with a couple things to complete the outfit. Okay, so let's see how it looks with the denim jacket. Oops. Got his balls there. That would be bad. Okay, so here it is with a cut from the cloth denim jacket. And yeah, I know I had somebody complain that I have too many denim jackets. Sorry, but I love denim jackets. And here it is. So you can wear it this way. And that's why I think a white denim skirt pairs nicely with a denim jacket. Okay, and then let's try it with a cardigan. Okay, and here it is with just a blush colored cardigan, and this is actually from Target. It's a new day, and I have it in several colors. So anyway, yeah, I think this is a really cute skirt. It fits right. I might actually just buy this out because you can buy it out at a discount. And I think, well, for this it was 50% off, and the buyout price was $35. I think. I have to go check. But yeah, cute. Okay, last one. Coming. Okay, so here is the last item, and it's this blazer. And I think this is really nice. I think this is $130, I think. So it's a very nice quality blazer. It's got it's linen looking and it's fully lined, and it has stripes. So I just wore this. Is like it's not bra friendly, so I'd keep the jacket on all day. I might have to put something under it, but it's just a camisole. And I just picked this up also from Loft, that same haul. Also, I didn't do a haul, sorry. Yeah. And I have these jeans. These are also Loft jeans that I've had forever, and I love these. They're really good. Yeah, so I think this would be a nice kind of semi-professional office look, because you have the dark wash jeans. And I think this jacket fits pretty well. I did end up cuffing the sleeves because it was just a little bit long, and I don't like it to be, just it'll be in my way. But it's not constricting or anything. It has slightly padded shoulders. Yeah, I think this is really nice. So I could just wear this one time, send it, and they'll dry clean it. So I don't have to worry about dry cleaning. So that is nice. A nice thing about this service. Okay, so I think I'll wear this today. Okay, so overall thoughts. Oh, and by the way, this is my daughter's cat. This is Molly. Yeah, she's visiting. You might have seen her in the beginning. Okay, we got lots of animals right now. I'll try to figure this out. Anyway, I actually really was happy with my experience with the service so far. I got 3 items that I really liked, and they actually fit. And I didn't mention this in the beginning, but the way it works is you go on their site, and you basically, it's like shopping, and then you just put everything in your closet, like putting it in your cart. So you select the item and the size, and then just add to your closet. And then you can also set priorities. So if there's, it's like super favoriting items that you really want, so they'll prioritize that and send those out to you first. So all of the items that I got, I had actually set as priority. My dog is playing with Molly. They like to play, actually. It's kind of cute. Aw. I actually ended up wearing the blazer on Friday to work. And I think this is a really nice blazer, and it looked really good, I thought, with jeans. And I got compliments, although I kind of fished for them. And I'm kind of happy because I got to wear this, and I don't have to worry about dry cleaning, because that's something I hate. I hate to have to take it to the dry cleaners, and I think it's just kind of really expensive. And this retailed for $130. So that's good. And then this dress, I thought it fit and it looks cute, and I'm planning to wear it tonight. I do have a retirement party, so I'm going to wear that today, so I'll make use of it. And I think with Infinitely Loft, you really want to wear your things as soon as you can, because you can send it back and get a whole new box, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm kind of debating if I should just keep this and buy this out, or I think it was $34.50 for this skirt. So this is a retail of $69, and it fit really well. I don't have a white denim skirt. It's a nice weight, and I thought the length was okay. So yeah, I might actually end up just buying this. And if that's the case, I can just go ahead and do this, what they call return items. So yeah, you can see I have, these are the 3 items that I have. And when you're ready to return them, you just click on return item, and you say, did you wear it? Just tried it on, didn't try it on. And then I say yes, and how did it fit? And I say, great. How would you rate this item? You rate it and submit. So isn't that cool? So they ask you how things fit and if you liked it and if you wore it. It says return item improves future boxes. Thanks for return notifying. To get your next box, either return notify or buy all the items you have at home. So basically, before they send out your next box, I have to return notify or buy out everything in the box. Okay, so then you'll see how it shows that this item has been return notified, but these 2 I haven't yet. Anyway, I'm still kind of figuring this out. So I'm planning to do more videos on this Infinitely Loft based on how my experience goes with them, because it'll be kind of like getting new clothes every week or so. But yeah, we'll see. What do you guys think? I mean, I would say the pros for a service like this are if you already have a lot of clothes in your closet that you can coordinate with. It is nice to have these new items to kind of like freshen your closet, I guess. And since I already have a lot of clothes, my closets are kind of stuffed. So this isn't adding to my overstuffed closet problem, I think. And another positive is that you don't have to actually launder or dry clean the clothes. So that's, to me, I think a big plus. And it seems very convenient if everything's USPS, which to me is the most convenient form of shipping. Of course, the downside would be you're spending basically $65 a month, but you're not getting to keep anything unless you buy it out. And although they do have a discount of 50% off, a lot of times when you shop on Loft, you can get a pretty good discount anyway. Like I'm filming this and it's Memorial Day weekend, and they have 40% off the whole website. Yeah, so that's just my 2 cents, and I will continue to use this service, and so far I'm happy. And for me, I do love Loft. It is one of my favorite stores, if not my favorite store. So I had no problem actually finding a lot of things to add to my closet. I know there are other clothing rental services that are just being launched. I think Ann Taylor has one, but I'm pretty sure that's more like business attire. And that one is more expensive. There is, I saw American Eagle had one. I think they launched it last year. I took a look at that one, but I think the clothes was a little too young for me. I mean, it might be good for one of my daughters. And that one was, I think, $49.95, so it was less per month, and it worked exactly the same way where you get 3 items of clothing at a time. I think there's also one by Urban Outfitters that's going to be launched soon. That one I think is a little different. I think you get more items of clothing, but it is more expensive, and you can only have 1 box per month. So that might be something worth checking out, because I think Urban Outfitters and Anthropologie are the same company or same owner. So those are going to be somehow combined. But yeah, so I think this whole clothing rental service is a pretty interesting concept, and I think it's something that's actually worth checking out. So we'll see how it goes. And like I said, this is a brand new service, so it seemed like everything was very new. So we'll see how it goes later on. I'm planning to do this at least for a few months, and we'll see if later the clothes looks a little more worn, or what the standards are. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was informative. If you did enjoy it and found it informative, please give this video a thumbs up, and I think that helps other people find this video. Also, consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls, and I'm going to continue with this Infinitely Loft. I also do clothing subscription box unboxings and also some outfits of the day. So if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Oh, and I have all these animals here, but I didn't bring them in. Who should we get to close this out? I think Sammy, because she's the laziest. The others are playing. Come here, Sam. Okay, so, and here's Sammy, and bye again. We'll see you later.